Eco-luxury in the world of wooden decor is more than just a passing trend. It is a movement, a philosophy, and an exciting business opportunity that merges raw natural beauty with refined craftsmanship to create pieces that feel timeless, sustainable, and highly desirable in today's market. The growing awareness of environmental issues has shaped consumer behavior dramatically, and homeowners now seek decor that not only beautifies their spaces, but also reflects values of eco-conscious living, responsibility, and authenticity. Raw and natural wooden decor sits perfectly at this intersection because it celebrates the beauty of the material in its purest form while elevating it into luxurious and profitable designs. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of eco-luxury wooden decor ideas by turning raw wood into profitable, sustainable treasures. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Every knot, grain, curve, and imperfection becomes part of the narrative, turning what once may have seemed ordinary into a statement of artistry and sustainability. This fusion of eco-luxury design with eco-conscious lifestyles is changing the way people approach home decor, creating opportunities for creators, woodworkers, and entrepreneurs to craft and sell pieces that inspire conversation, ignite emotion, and represent more than utility. They represent a commitment to living beautifully while honoring the planet. The appeal of raw wooden decor lies in its ability to speak directly to human senses and emotions. Unlike mass-produced, factory-finished furniture and accessories, raw wooden pieces retain the essence of nature. When a homeowner places a raw wood coffee table, hand-carved lamp base, or natural edge shelf in their living space, they are not just decorating, they are inviting nature indoors, grounding their homes with warmth, authenticity, and character that cannot be replicated by artificial materials. This kind of decor brings a sense of balance between modern living and the natural world, a harmony that resonates deeply with today's eco-conscious buyers. They crave uniqueness in their surroundings, not cookie-cutter designs that can be found in every catalog, but treasures that tell stories, reflect craftsmanship, and carry within them the soul of nature. It is this hunger for individuality, coupled with a desire for sustainability, that makes eco-luxury wooden decor one of the most profitable directions in the design and woodworking landscape today. For the creator or entrepreneur, the opportunities are vast and exciting. By working with raw and natural wood, every piece becomes one of a kind, offering a built-in uniqueness that adds to its market value. A table crafted from a reclaimed log, a wall accent made from raw wood slices, or a set of shelves that highlight the organic edges of timber are not just functional items, but artistic expressions that connect emotionally with buyers. The luxury lies not in over-processing the material, but in allowing its natural beauty to shine, enhanced by thoughtful craftsmanship. This shift in what people consider luxury has changed the entire decor market, moving away from excess, polish, and uniformity toward authenticity, simplicity, and sustainability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. For creators, this means they can work with materials that are often overlooked or undervalued, fallen branches, reclaimed planks, offcuts from lumberyards, and transform them into profitable decor pieces that buyers are eager to pay a premium for, precisely because they embody both artistry and eco-conscious living. What makes this fusion of eco-luxury and sustainability so powerful is the way it creates emotional connections. Buyers today are not only purchasing decor for function, they are purchasing stories. They want to know that the wooden lamp in their living room was carved from reclaimed timber, that the rustic shelves in their kitchen carry the history of a fallen tree, or that the centerpiece on their dining table reflects sustainable practices rather than wasteful consumption. These narratives add value beyond price tags, creating a sense of pride and identity for the buyer, and an opportunity for the maker to market their work in ways that resonate deeply with modern consumers. This emotional pull is what transforms raw wooden decor from simple craft projects into profitable business opportunities, because when decor reflects sustainable values and unique stories, it stands out in a crowded market and commands both attention and loyalty. The marketplace itself is embracing this change, as eco-luxury wooden decor aligns perfectly with broader consumer trends. Minimalist living, eco-conscious design, and biophilic interiors are some of the most sought-after directions in home decor, and raw wood naturally complements all of them. From luxury apartments in urban centers to cozy countryside homes, homeowners are searching for decor that reconnects them with nature while maintaining a sense of style and sophistication. This demand has created fertile ground for small creators, independent woodworkers, and entrepreneurs to step into the spotlight, offering handcrafted alternatives to the mass-produced decor dominating large retailers. Platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and local artisan markets amplify this movement, giving makers direct access to buyers who value originality and sustainability. This democratization of the market means that anyone with creativity, vision, and a respect for natural materials can turn their woodworking into a thriving, profitable enterprise. At the heart of eco-luxury design lies the philosophy that less is more. Instead of covering up the raw beauty of wood with heavy finishes, paint, or artificial enhancements, the focus is on celebrating what nature has already created. The organic lines, natural textures, and earthy tones of wood bring an effortless elegance that cannot be imitated. This simplicity is what makes the decor luxurious. It feels timeless, understated, and refined, yet it carries depth and meaning. When combined with thoughtful design, such as blending raw wood with modern metal accents or soft fabrics, the result is decor that elevates living spaces into sanctuaries of style and sustainability. For buyers, this offers the perfect combination of indulgence and responsibility, luxury they can enjoy with pride, knowing it aligns with their values of environmental stewardship and conscious living. For the woodworker or aspiring entrepreneur, this shift opens up possibilities that extend far beyond the workshop. It is not just about creating individual pieces of decor, but about building a brand that represents eco-luxury, sustainability, and authenticity. The market rewards those who can tell compelling stories around their creations, highlighting not just the final product, but the process, the material's origins, and the philosophy behind the craft. Every log transformed into a lamp or every branch carved into wall art becomes part of a narrative that buyers are willing to invest in because it resonates with their lifestyle. This is how passion meets profit in the most natural way, through creativity, craftsmanship, and a commitment to sustainable living. Ultimately, eco-luxury wooden decor is reshaping how we think about design, consumption, and profitability. It shows us that true luxury is no longer about extravagance or excess, but about uniqueness, authenticity, and purpose. Buyers and homeowners are increasingly making choices that reflect these values, seeking pieces that go beyond function to inspire conversation, embody sustainability, and tell stories worth sharing. For creators, this means the door is wide open to transform raw and natural wood into treasures that are not only beautiful, but also profitable, turning what was once considered simple material into symbols of modern living. The fusion of eco-luxury design and eco-conscious living is not a passing phase, but a powerful cultural shift, one that empowers artisans to thrive, inspires homeowners to live more sustainably, and proves that decor can be both stylish and responsible. In every grain of wood lies an opportunity, in every knot a possibility, and in every crafted piece the chance to make a lasting impact on homes, markets, and the world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-luxury wooden decor ideas by turning raw wood into profitable, sustainable treasures. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.